Hey guys, check out this 2016 Ford F-150 Lariat Edition. It's got the sports package on there, cool seats, sunroof, running boards, lifted. They've done a bunch of stuff. Motor's been tuned, it's been deleted, so will not pass emissions. Has to be sold in a place that doesn't require emissions, so I'm not sure exactly everything that's been done, but it looks like there's a bunch of stickers. I believe turbos and blow-off valves have been changed. We'll start it up and I'll show it, let you listen to it. This sounds pretty ridiculous. Bed cover there. So 171,000. You can hear kind of what it sounds like. Airbag, control valve, tow package, four-wheel drive, locking diff, backup camera, Sony sound system, heated cooled seats, all your sunroof controls. So no lights on the dash to say there's something with the park sensor. You know, a couple little blemishes here, but this has almost 172,000 miles on it. It's got these running boards on there. A couple little dents there. You know, not bad for 171K, but we can't go in and fix everything, so this is how it is, as is. But to me, it looks like a pretty clean truck for 2016. Tailgate step. Look down there, that's where that cap is cut out. Good looking truck. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.